Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to speed ramp in Capcut PC. So first of all, launch open Capcut. You can see over here I've already opened it. Simply launch open the project of your choice. Import the media in which you want to apply the speed ramp. You can see over here I've already done that. Once you import the media, make sure to drag it over here. Now what you have to do is identify the part of the video from which you want to apply the speed ramp. For example, I want to do it from here. So what you have to do is simply place the cursor over here. Now simply split it. Click on the option for split that you can see right over here. Or you can also press Ctrl B on your keyboard. Now go to the part of the video till which you want to apply the speed ramp. Now again split it. Now select the video. Simply click on the video. Now at the top left, you'll be able to find several options over here. Video, speed, animation, adjustment, etc. Click on the option speed. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the speed interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for curves. Click on it. Now you'll be led to the curve interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the options like custom, montage, hero, bullet, jump cut, flash in, flash out. So simply click on the option of your choice. For example, I'm going to click on the option bullet. Now you'll also be able to customize the chart over here. I want this to start at the normal speed, so I'm just going to drag this over here at the normal speed. I'll just drag this too. You can customize according to your choice. I want to end the video in the normal speed too, so I'm just going to drag it like this. Now I want this part to be a little shorter, so I'm just going to drag it to the left like this. Likewise, I'm going to drag this point to the right. Now I'm done with customizing the chart. Now let me just play the video. You can see over here at first it was at normal speed. Now it is slow. Now again it will be in the normal speed. So like this you'll be able to speed ramp. So that is how you speed ramp on Capcut PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.